So let's start this morning. SAP S/4HANA Cloud, sales processing, full sales processing using third party with shipping notification. Purpose: this video will enable you to forward orders to third-party vendors who ship the good directly to customer and then bill you directly. The standard sales order automatically creates a purchase requisition for the materials to be delivered by third-party vendors. Once vendors have sent a shipping notification, statistical goods receipts can be posted. Once this has taken place, invoice can be created and issued based on the goods receipt quantities. So, first of all, you need some access system, you need some roles, you need some master data. So I will show you how to create, for example, sold to party in few minutes. So to manage a sold to party, okay. This is my home. I'm looking for, and I will add to my section all the app required for this processes. So I'm going to my page. I click on my profile and I edit current pages. I go to the section title, sales processing using third-party shipping notification, key PC. I click on add till and I'm looking for manage partner. Manage business partner, master data. I click on and I had it to my section. I go back. And as you can see, I've got my till. So I want to create a new sold to party. I click on Manage Business Partner Data. I click on Go. I'm looking for a business partner that I can use as template. A customer that I used a lot of time. For example, I know that I've used recently as a supplier. It's not a customer. Yeah, I used my customer, my favorite customer, Key Performance Consulting. That is my company. I work. Very enjoys company. Enjoying. Oh, I click on copy. I'm waiting. If I want to change, for example, the number, I click on either data. The grouping is BP02. It's internal. If I want to external, BP01. Can I have the hand to change? Okay, I change, for example, domestic customer 1. If they are for France. Okay, I leave all the information. Okay, Villeurbanne. I complete some information. French, preferred communication email, website, email. If you want to join me, okay, keno@kpconsulting.fr. website S for club.com. Okay, I click on create. Please enter a valid number. Okay, I want to enter a valid number, edit, and I can add, oh no, it's just this one. Like this, like this. Okay, I create. Is that a valid number? We'll have to check. Enter in dialog install process or the XML process. Can you contact your administrator? So I will check later why. External numbering. Sometimes we have to change the grouping. With the grouping, you have got all the range number for your business partner. So great. Okay, I've got my domestic customer sold to party, but it's not enough. I will have a look at, for example, for the bank account. All the information required to make some tests. It's a sold to party, but it's not just bank account. If I want to have to check the roles, I've got two main roles. I had role description. I want that is a customer, but it's not if I want to invoice my customer, I need to add the information. For example, create. I will add the old customer accounting. I click on customer accounting. I will add the information about the company, in particular the general account. So when I click, you have more information about the company code. Okay, I will add the company code. I can create with reference. I click on create with reference. I'm looking for the business partner. For example, this partner, which company? Okay, key PC1, key PC. Okay, I don't know what's happened. It's good. Key PC1. I think everything seems to be okay. Or I can use the match code. Okay, and I click on copy. All the information are copied into my. Okay, I've got KPC. Okay, it's good. Accounting clerk. It's me. Collective, I live. I've got the reconciliation account as receivable. It's a okay. I leave it like this. Credit memo, tolerance, check, bill, planning, adjust. Direct debit or SAP credit transfer. SL2. Okay. I think everything seems to be okay. I click on apply. I check sales area, in particular the information about the sales area. Okay, key PC, order, okay, sales district, I can complete some information about Coterm, okay, delivery priority, order, POT relevant note. I check quickly all the information. Yes, payment term. Okay. Domestic revenue, complete delivery required, classification, everything sounds be okay. I click on apply. And then I click on save. I save. No subsequent partial delivery allowed for complete. Yes, perhaps I left something that is not good. So I'm going to check customer. For example, you have an error message. You have just have a look at the reason of the error message. Sales area. Perhaps. Okay. I requested. Yeah, complete delivery. So in this case, only complete delivery allowed. Okay. My customer self. So I've got a material. I've got my sold to party. I've got my plant. I've got my storage location. I've got my shipping point. I've got my sales organization, my distribution channel, my division, my company code. Business condition. Perhaps I need also, if I want also to manage a price for my customer. I will show you right now how to create a condition record for pricing in the cloud. So all the times, edit current page. I want to add a till. So I'm looking for manage price sales. I add it. I go back. I close. I open manage price. What is my condition? I will use the condition PPR0. Okay. For my key combination is for customer and product. Okay. I click on go to see if I've got some condition price. Yes, I've got. I click on can copy condition. I just want to change domestic. I just created. Okay, I'm going to change TG10 for trading good for regular trading. Okay, and I'm going to change the price, for example, for that. And I save. Okay, my condition record is activate and available. So, good. And my price also. So we can start the processes. Preliminary step. I can have a look to my. I can check my flexible workflow for purchase order approval. If I want to have a workflow for purchase order approval, I can configure this one. I can create a purchase info record. Okay, I will have a look also to to create a supplier. So I can create also a supplier. So I can use the same till also. I can also create manage supplier, manage supplier master data. The same thing that manage partner master data, but only focus on supplier. I want to add this till to my section, save as till, and I'm select, for example, my page. I click on apply. So I click on go. I want to copy this supplier. I click on copy with pre-selection. With company code, I just want to copy with this company code, and purchasing organization, I don't want this one, I don't want this one. And I used with my pre-selection. I click on OK. It's exactly the same thing from the customer. So domestic FR supplier KPC, edit header, and change to external. Okay. Adjust text for world. That's got okay. I click on settings to display BP role description. I've got financials, seems to be good, and okay, I will add Michael. Sorry, Michael.keno. KP Consulting. Okay, I create. Okay, a valid number. Edit. I complete. Okay, and I create. Right now, I need to create a purchasing info record because I need it for the has master data for third-party flow. So, how to create a purchasing info record? Edit current page. Manage supplier master data. I want to add it. Add a till. I'm looking for purchasing info. Okay, change, delete, maintain, change, no, create purchase info record, manage info record. I add it. I go back, and I close. Right now, I will create a purchasing info record. I open manage purchasing info record. The create info record initial screen display. Create, open create. Make the following entries: supplier, material, purchasing organization, plant, and info record type. So standard, purchasing organization, KPC, plant. As you can see, automatically SAP offer me the latest or recently used plant. Okay, I just have to click on purchasing group. Okay, I need to create a new one. I will say I will create a new one for KPC. My supplier domestic. I never use it. Domestic. I will have a look at, for example, KPC, domestic supplier. Yes. Yes. Enter. So great. I've complete the data. Right now, I need to navigate to purchasing data information. So I'm going to purchasing data, and in particular delivery and a quantity. So in delivery and quantity, make the following entries: delivery time and day, purchasing group, standard quantity. I can add tolerance, tax code, net price, Incoterm, so an Incoterm location. So number, day and time, 2 days. Under delivery tolerance, 10%. Over deliverance, 10%. Tax code, V6 for France. Input tax VAT. Okay. What is the standard quantity? Is 10. The minimum order quantity is 1. Okay. Don't have a run-zip profile. Okay. I have a look at the other information. Good base receipt invoice. Okay. Confirmation control, not necessary. I create a condition, pricing condition. So amount. Okay, it's enough, euro. So everything sounds to be okay. I click on create. To save a purchase info record is save. So I think everything is okay right now to create third-party sales order. So let's start. Create third party. This process stops show you how to create a third party sales order. So we access the app. The app is open manage sales order. Manage sales order. So, okay. Yeah, before sourcing list. Really important. Create current page. Add till source list. Manage source list. Okay, close. Manage source list. I want to create a new source list for material TG10. Okay, for plant keep 01. Okay. There is. So discard draft. Go. I'm looking for first TG10. Okay, I already have. I click on edit. I want to generate a new one, valid from beginning of the month and up to the end of the years. Okay, I select both and I replace existing. Yeah. Okay. Empty, empty. And from my new one, it will be, okay, I save. Okay, I've sourced my my material. I need to make a pauses. I come back in 1 minute. So let's start for the flow. Okay. We have to create a sales order. I click on my profile, edit. I need to a new till application, manage sales order. Okay, I will use manage sales order. Okay, I go back. It's always the same things. Close. I open manage sales order. The manage sales order screen display. So step 3, I need to select create sales order screen. Instruction on the manage sales order screen, select create button and choose create sales order VA01. So click on create, select create sales order VA01. Enter sales document type. Make the following entries: order type, sales organization, distribution channel, division, and continue. So I select order type. Order type, standard order. I select. Then my sales organization. KC1. Distribution channel Z1 and Z1. I click on continue. The create standard order overview window displays. Step 5. Enter order detail. Make the following entries: your sold to party, customer reference, the requested delivery date, the material, the quantity, and have a look to the item category CB1. Let's start. My sold to party, domestic, or if I want to have, okay, I remember domestic. Domestic FR customer 1 is not Okay, I don't have all. I prefer to use a match code. Okay, I know that is, I can looking for per sales group. I know that is for KPC1, but the F, so customer for legal. I've got all my customer that I created in my system, 18, or I can also select by number. First, I click each time on enter customer reference. SAP drive me. Test third party, enter. Requested delivery date. I've got all the information from my business partner, payment term, Incoterm version, Incoterm location. So I enter the material. Yes. I enter the quantity. I click on enter. Okay. From the standard order purchase order scheduling screen, choose complete delivery. The third-party sales order is created. In this case, in the expected result, a purchase requisition is created automatically. You will find the purchase requisition number by doing the following process. You go back in the scheduling line and display item detail. So I will show you. Complete delivery. Okay, great. So you can navigate. For example, I want to check the schedule line. Okay. I want to see the condition. I've got my price. I go back. I want to identify item category. So CB1 is for third party with shipping notification. I can choose also CB3, third party with shipping notification, but free item. Which kind of delivery you can use? So you can manually change the item category to CB3 if the item is free of charge for the third party sales order with shipping notification. You can manually change the item category to DB1 if the item is down payment relevant for third party sales order with shipping notification, and proceed with the following step: change sales order, remove billing block, create down payment request, and post a down payment from the sales order processing with customer down payment video. So I leave it and I save. Great. I've created standard order 78 has been saved. No sales order approval. I can add a create attachment for sales if I want to add a document. Is easier. Sales order display. Service for object. I click on edit. Service for object. Create attachment. This application want to upload a file to subsystem. Yes, okay. I select my document. I click on open, and automatically the document, the attachment was successfully created. As you can see right now in my attachment list, I've got my document that I need to provide to my customer. So I can change also the quantity. I know credit management. Right now, I would like to display the list of purchase requisition to be assigned. This activity is performed when you want to review your purchase requisition and assign them to a vendor. So I leave it. I go back to my home and I'm looking for all the tiles that I've already used. I will have to add a new tile. Edit current page. I want to add a new tile that is required for the processes. So I need process purchase requisition. But at the same time, I'm looking for in my catalog of application. Oh. Okay. Process purchase requisition, formally manage purchase requisition. It's good. I click on add. Okay, close. So right now I open process purchase requisition. The manage purchase requisition screen display. Find relevant purchase requisition. Enter your selection criteria in the filter bar and choose Go, for example, material. Click on TJ10, enter. Okay. You can find the purchase requisition number in also in the create sales order step. So choose source of supply, select the row of your purchase requisition and choose X sources from the assign supplier section. The select source of supply screen display, select a source from the list. So I will select domestic FR, supplier KPC. The supplier assign. So if the line disappears, you click on Go, and if the line does not appear, please have a look if your purchase requisition is in approval. So, for example, I select all one you have. You will just have to waiting. You can see. I go back. Approve purchase requisition. Okay, I need to approve the purchase requisition to continue the process. Okay. I just have to click on approved, submit. Yes, I go back to my home and process purchase requisition. I select again my material. I click on OK. OK. You will see the line appears. So the source of supply is assigned. Next step, convert assign requisition into a purchase order. We stay on this application. Select, choose the purchase requisition and select create purchase order. Not if you have any warning message display, choose OK to skip it or close. So I select my purchase requisition and I click on create. No currency maintained for purchasing organization. It's a good exercise. Okay. I need to complete my supplier. I go back home. I am going to the Manage Supplier Master Data. I click on Go. I select my supplier, that is a domestic supplier. Yes, this one. I click on Edit. I remember the information about the currency is in the role Supplier, Purchasing Organization. I select my purchasing organization, General Data, Purchasing, and I complete the order currency. Okay, I complete some information, good receipt, honor. Yes, I can complete, for example, permanent term. So, Incoterm location. Okay, I click on Apply, and I save. Okay. If I want to go, I just have to recent activities, process purchase requisition. Okay. My material, select my line, create purchase order. Okay, I've got warning message, click on close. Okay, so select the purchase order type by default. For example, standard purchase order, and choose save. Again, if you have any warning message, choose close. I think it's okay for me. I click on save. Okay. A confirmation message display containing the standard PO number. Make note yet. The purchase order is created in the SAP system. Again, the system creates a message for the purchase order so that the information from the purchase order can be transmitted to the vendor. The printout of the order configuration is executed after the purchase order is created automatically and immediately. Approve and release purchase order is optional. It depends if you have activate or not this procedure. Okay. That is my case. Why? Because I've got a notification. So, how to approve and release purchase order? Open my inbox all item. I got in my home. This is my inbox, my to-do list. A list of previously created purchase order, purchase requisition, supplier display. The purchase order display with the information that you have to read before to approve. So, general information, item, I'm focused on the price, net order value, everything seems to be okay. I've got also, if I've got some attachment that I'm able to read. So if everything sounds to be okay for me, I just to click on approved. I can submit my decision with a decision note. I add it when I make a reject. in this case, I submit. The submit decision is approved. The purchase order is approved. Choose home to go back to the SAP Theory Launchpad. Okay. Next step, post statistical good receipt. Again, I will have to add a new application, profile, edit current page. I'm looking for, and when to add a time, and I post goods receipt for purchasing document. I had the till, I go back, and I open post good receipt for purchasing document. The post good receipt purchasing document screen display. Choose good receipt, make the following entries, select the purchase order that you want to receive. So I can use the scan, I can use the match code. I restrict for domestic, supplier, domestic, FR, supplier, KPC. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. Just one purchase order. I select. Does not contain any selectable item. Perhaps I just have a look. Perhaps I define some information. If you have this kind of messages, so I'm looking for in manage. So I want to add a new tile to display edit current page. Add a till, manage, purchase order. I add it. I go back. Okay, manage purchase order is after process purchase requisition to be in the right. Okay, I close. I open manage purchase order to check why I've got an issue when I try to receipt my purchase order. So I enter my purchase, I put it the number, I click on go. Okay, and the information, okay, complete delivery. I select, I can go to the detail. Okay, I click on edit. I check delivery, good receipt. Confirmation. Okay, everything sounds to be good. Incoterm, delivery address. Okay, I will try. Perhaps I'm not able to receive this kind of purchase order with the standard theory tile because I don't see anything that is Y. So the purchase order is sent, so that need is approved. Statute, flexible workflow, release. Okay, I will try with another tile. So I used edit current page, and I will try with post goods receipt. Not post goods receipt. Yes, post goods receipt. This one. Okay, the like Migo. Closed. Post good receipt. Okay, good receipt, purchase order. I select good receipt. I select purchase order. I check that the good receipt is 101 and 101. Okay. Good receipt. So when you are in good receipt, make the following entries. From the transaction event, pull down good receipt. From the reference document, pull down menu purchase order. In the purchase order field, under purchase order, check the good movement is GR good receipt. So I put the purchase order number and I click on OK. Okay, I think I will try again. I just want to be sure that I'm not able post get receipt for purchasing document. Okay. Okay, I cannot use this application. So for this, I click on edit current page. I remove because I cannot use the post good receipt for purchasing document till in third-party flow. So I want to remove this application from my section till like this. Click on close and I click post good receipt. So I put the purchase order number. I click on enter. If necessary, change the quantity in the detail section. In detail data section, choose where tab. So the detail section. Where tab. It's not necessary to enter the storage location because it's a statistical good receipt. So material, quantity, where you have got your plant. Okay. Select the item OK checkbox at the bottom of the screen and choose post. Okay, well done. The system generates a material document. You may record down the posted material document number at the bottom. Financial posting. If you want to display the financial posting, it's easy. 2 options. You stay in the good receipt purchase order. I just have to select display. I want to display my material document. I leave material document. Automatically SAP put in the fields the material document and click on enter. I'm going on to the header data and I select the tabulation document information. In document information, I've got the button FE document. I open FE document screen. I see that my accounting document, I double click on the line and I'm able to display the financial document. So I go back to my home. You can see I create a sales order. A purchase requisition has been generated. I convert this purchase requisition to a purchase order. I received my purchase order. Right now, I'm receive an invoice from my supplier. I need to record the invoice in my system, so I'm going to create an invoice. In this activity, you create a supplier invoice with purchase order good receipt relation. So let's start. Create supplier invoice. Again, edit current page, and I want to add a new till in this process. Create supplier invoice. I add the till, I go back, I close, and I launch create supplier invoice. No. So I enter the invoice date, my reference, third party, so I can add like this. Third party domestic supplier, okay. So I need to transaction invoice, company code, gross invoice amount, invoice date, posting date, reference. Then I need to enter the purchase order reference. I select my purchase order. I can use, for example, this one or advanced selection. For example, that is domestic supplier. I click on go and SAP offer me the information. Okay, one item, assign. Okay, yes, I completely forgotten to add the gross amount. So check. Okay. Okay, no, I will show you later. So, sorry. Enter purchase order reference, select invoice item, verify the invoice item data. Okay, like this. I can see the details. Okay, general, plain account, general. Okay, back to the supplier. GL account item, asset item. I check in the tax, good tax code, tax rate is good. I check the payment terms, net due date. Okay, I can complete the payment method. It's for SEPA. Okay. I can choose my house bank, yes, and my account, yeah. So select invoice item, done. Verify the invoice items data, done. Verify tax code, done. Verify the balance, done. It's green, so when it's green, it's good. Balance, okay. This is my to-do list. Then simulate supplier invoice and check message. Okay, simulate. Okay, I just have to, the baseline is today. Okay, I check, I've got an error message. I complete the field. I click on check. Invoice was successfully checked. Everything is good. I click on simulate. Okay, good. Next step, post invoice. Good. Do you want to create a new supplier? No. So, next step. create billing document for my customer. Let's start. So we have created a sales order, purchase requisition, generated automatically from my sales order. We convert to purchase order. We post good receipt, shipping notification, statistical. We have created a supplier invoice right now. The last point, edit current page, add a new till, create billing document. Okay. Close. Like this, you have in the one screen all the app required for that, your process. So purpose, in this activity, you handle billing. So first, access the SAP Fiori app. Okay, I open created billing document. Let's start. Define billing setting. For that, you click on billing settings, set billing date and a type before billing, yes, on. Create separate off, automatic post billing document on, display billing document after creation on, choose delivery, no, it's not required. So next step, you have defined your billing settings, your search, next step, search for billing list. You're looking for your document. SD category, I'm looking for an order. I click on go. I want to restrict, it's not required. You can select per sold to party, it's good. You find your sales order that you need to invoice. So you choose individual billing document. Okay, I create billing document. Maintain billing date. It's today. Oh, okay. The manage billing document show the different information. You are in a temporary document. Okay, I navigate and check that everything is okay. Terms, items, business partner, accounting data, process flow, pricing data, everything, pricing element, taxes, tax output type. So save the billing document. Display billing document after creation. Okay, you have got your invoice. You can, so some next step is, for example, display the billing document, in particular output condition. For that, you just have two options. Yes. In edit mode, in your manage billing document, you can add some document. You can complete some text, and you can also display output detail and the PDF of the billing document. Okay, good. That is conclude this process about third party in S4HANA Cloud. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much. Do you have any question about this process in S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition? So, to remember all the tools that we have used for this process: manage business partner for customer and supplier, manage price to have a sales price for your sales order process, manage purchasing info record to assign a supplier to your material when you generate automatically the purchase requisition. So the process begins with the managed sales order. You have automatically a purchase requisition that you convert on a purchase order. Then you pass good receipt statistical. Then you create an invoice, supplier invoice. You record a supplier invoice, and then you conclude the process with the billing document to your customer.